Welcome you all, BPSC aspirants. Here is the discussion, and as I told you earlier that the motto of this discussion of dealing with the previous year questions is to promote you for your better answer writing. अच्छा आप लिख सके. You know, here to discuss the artificial intelligence, summary of artificial intelligence in a very brief. Here is artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence refers to the ability of machines and computers to simulate human intelligence through the learning, reasoning, perception, and decision making. Artificial intelligence systems process data through algorithms to produce outputs that mimic human thinking and problem solving. So, what is AI? It refers to the ability of what? Machine and the computers to simulate human intelligence. For what? Learning, reasoning, perception, and decision making. Okay? How does AI work? How does AI work? Data is collected, pre-processed, and analyzed. Next point. Algorithms, machine learning, deep learning, etc. identify patterns and learn from data. Instant models and make predictions or the decisions and improve with feedback. Now the key elements. Machine learning. Systems learn from data to improve automatically, that is spam filter. Now come to the deep learning. Uses neural networks for complex tasks like facial recognition. Then come to the natural language processing. NLP enables computers to understand and respond to human language. Siri, Alexa. Then now come to the computer vision. Allows system to interpret images and videos, that is self-driving cars. Neural networks, brain-inspired models for pattern recognition, that is Netflix recommendations. Now, the types of artificial intelligence. Now, first one, the based on capability. Now, AI performs a specific task, that is voice assistances. General AI mimics human intelligence across tasks and still theoretical. Then super artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence, that is future concept. Then come to artificial intelligence based on functionality. Reactive machines act only on current inputs, that is AlphaGo. Limited memory, use past data retrieve self-driving cars, and then theory of mind and self-aware AI, artificial intelligence, instant emotions and self-awareness, and their development. Now have a glance to the applications of artificial intelligence. E-governance, personalized recommendations, fraud detection, education, smart tutorial, adaptive learning, healthcare, diagnosis, drug discovery, and patient monitoring, finance, risk assessment, fraud prevention, agriculture, precision farming and yield prediction, manufacturing, automation and predictive maintenance, social media, content moderation, recommendation algorithms. So now, artificial intelligence daily life, say ChatGPT, Siri, Alexa, Google Maps, Netflix sessions, Face ID, Instagram, algorithms, Uber, Ola. Now the advantage of AI. AI boosts productivity through automation, improves decision making with data-driven insights, delivers consistent and accurate results, enables innovation in sectors like healthcare and education. Now just look through the challenges and the concerns of AI. AI की बात हो रही है. Job displacement due to automation, ethical and bias issues in artificial intelligence models, misuse in shallow attacks or misinformation, that is deepfakes, dependence on large quality data and data sets, lack of creativity and empathy, then high development costs and lack of transparency. Now, India and AI. India and AI. National Strategy for AI 2018, Framework for Inclusive AI Growth, Key Initiatives, AI for All Race, Responsible AI for Youth, AI for Agriculture, AI Centers of Excellence at IITs, Future Skills, Prime, MITI and NASSCOM scale programs. India AI, National AI Knowledge and Research Portal, Global Cooperation Artificial Intelligence Action Summit 2025, Paris, focused on AI for public good, ethics and global regulation. 58 nations including India, China, EU signed the declaration, inclusive and sustainable AI for people and the planet. Launched a public interest AI platform to promote transparency and responsible innovation. She is aligned with even G20, OECD, and UNESCO frameworks for human-centered artificial intelligence governance. That's all for the day. Thank you.